Welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will going to learn on how to edit like 7th era, so let's get started. Here is the sample photo. And here is my edit. Now let's go straight to Lightroom Mobile. Photo was already imported. Go to the Lights panel. Exposure plus 10. Contrast plus 15. Highlights minus 100. And shadows and 35. Now go to Curve. Follow the steps. Next, the Color panel. Temp minus 25. Tint 15. Vibrance 10. And saturation to minus 25. Color mix. Red. Hue 70. Saturation minus 40. Luminance 75. Orange. Hue minus 45. Saturation 40. Luminance 100. Yellow. Hue minus 45. Saturation 100. Luminance 75. Green. Hue 64. Saturation minus 54. Luminance 55. Aqua. Hue minus 100. Saturation minus 45. Luminance 75. Blue. Hue minus 50. Saturation 35. Luminance 100. Purple. Saturation minus 100. Magenta. Saturation minus 100. Now move on to effects. Texture 10. Clarity 8. Deha 6. Vignette minus 30. Midpoint to 20. And feather to 70. And lastly, the detail. Noise reduction 15. Color noise reduction 15. Sharpening 15. and masking to 55. Now we are done. Here's the before and after. You may copy the settings and paste it to another photo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below.